right, so here we are coming at you. We're right in the middle of the group camp here in Quartzsite. We're having a good old time. The weather has taken a great turn. It is just clear and sunny. And I think the high today is supposed to be about 75 degrees. The low is in the high 40s. So it has just been beautiful. A lot of folks showed up. We counted about 50 heads at the campfire last night. And yeah, people are just filling in all over on this side here and all down the wash here. So we are taking a little lunch break here, getting some nachos going in the air fryer in the van here. Let's check them out, see how they look. All right, we got some sliced up steak on there. Oh yeah, cheese is starting to melt. Get that back going. Running that off the inverter there. So far so good. Oh man, these things turned out good. These little air fryers are awesome. I got the power to run them. Look at that. It took like 3 minutes to melt all the cheese. Steak is all nice and crispy. Just put on some green sauce on there. Yum.
We're going to end up like YouTube. Huh? Yeah, right here.
Well, I just wanted to report in on the 2023 Quartzsite, Arizona group camp. It went off awesome. We had a really good turnout. It was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I showed up a day early and announced it. So we had a lot of early arrivers. So we had a nice little kind of smaller group campfire on Thursday night, and then people really started rolling in. I think for the peak of it, Friday, Saturday night, we had close to 70 people total, I think. And about 50 people would show up at the campfire. A lot of folks don't do the campfire thing, which is totally respectable. And yeah, I just witnessed a lot of people getting to know each other, friendly conversation. I got to meet a tremendous amount of you. Between doing the big tent event the week prior, I think I met over 100 people at the booth there. And then a lot of new people, and some of the people I had already met at the big tent showed up at the group camp. So all in all, I just got to meet a tremendous amount of really awesome people. I'm just super impressed to be able to get together that big of a group and everybody just get along and treat each other with kindness. I witnessed a lot of conversation going on. I never heard any talk of politics or anything. It was just pure good times. People talking about their experience on the road. And a lot of people show up that are just fresh on the road, experiencing Nomad life for just the first month or two of their journey. So it's just really neat to be able to provide a group camp safe area for people to get together, get to know people, make new friends. And I feel like it went off really well. I got a lot of positive feedback. And yeah, like I said, at the height of it, we were at the Roadrunner camp there. When we pulled in, there was pretty much no one there on Thursday. And then by, midday Saturday, I did put the drone up, so I'll give you an overhead shot there. Pretty much everyone you see in the drone shot is there for the meetup. We did have a funny coincidence. The Howa caravan happened to pick the same spot. That was totally unplanned. They had a pretty small group show up, just a handful of folks. So I wanted to check with the leader of the caravan there, the volunteer leader, and he said it'd be fine. We're all friendly folks, and it just went off really well. So again, just very impressed. Yeah, thank you guys. Without you guys, that group camp would not happen. So I just feel very, very privileged and grateful to be in a position to get that gathering organized so we can all come together. I just feel like the community that I've built through this YouTube channel is just a bunch of amazing people. It's turned out year after year when I meet you guys. So many of you that come out to Quartzsite area for the winter. We just have a very good group of people, super mellow around the campfire. It never got rowdy, no arguments, just everybody enjoying conversation. It was really, really nice to witness and be a part of. So I just want to give a big thank you to everyone that showed up. A lot of people requesting if we're going to do it again next year and wondering, and we'll see. I just kind of have to take it as it comes. As an introvert, that is a very big deal for me to put myself out there like that, to meet so many people at once. And by the end of the 3-day weekend, I'm pretty exhausted and pretty tapped out, but definitely worth it, worth every bit of it. I'm just, again, so grateful for you guys. So with that, the event is already over. I'm coming at you at post-event here, and we're going to bring you along to what I'm up to next. Thanks, guys. All right, well, we got another beautiful day on our hands today. It is above 70 degrees, sunny, clear, feeling the warmer temps. So nice. Had a great time at the group camp. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. We had just an awesome time. The weather was perfect. Full moon on the last night. But had to break camp, and I'm over here visiting an old friend. It's been a while. Some of you may remember him, and some of you may still be following along on his adventures. But we're going to say hi to Lewis. Lewis at Rolling Earth Ship. He is schooling me on how to make cast iron pizzas with coals here. So he's going to show me the ropes.
Pizza that I make is the best.
I've heard.
You can go into town and you can buy your own pizza, but why go into town when, oh yeah, you have to come over here and eat my own pizza. That's a bad idea. I should keep my mouth shut. How'd you find me anyway?
It wasn't easy.
You know,
I took a few wrong turns getting in here.
I put signs up there, private property, no trespassing.
Yeah.
It doesn't work. These people, they smell my pizza miles away.
It's true. It's true. So he's got the setup here. He was showing me. He's got this giant Dutch oven thing with the flat pizza surface. He flips this over and coals on top. So he's going to show me how he does it here. He's just getting things prepped. And yeah, we'll check back in. He makes his own dough. So he's going to teach me all this, and hopefully I'll be making my own campfire pizzas here soon.
But if you make your own pizza, you got to put a little thing, anything on the video saying
Disclaimer.
There's a disclaimer like this is copyright of Lewis from Rolling Earth Ship.
Yeah.
This
I will.
It's copyrighted.
I will.
I won't give you the recipe otherwise.
All right. So we heard it. You guys got to hold me accountable. Okay, I'm watching this step by step here. I want to learn what he's doing.
Don't go cheap on the olive oil.
Okay. So he's doing two. Doing one on this, and then the 12-inch skillet is going to be the other one. All right, so he's got the dough out. He made this dough up yesterday. Says it's best to put it in the fridge for at least 24 hours. And it's looking good.
Yeah, now we take it out and let it be on that thing for about an hour or so. Gives it time to rise again.
So you're going to spread it and just let it sit?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to take it out, and now I'm going to form it.
Oh.
It's a shame I don't have enough for you, Brian.
I know, this is a tease.
I only made enough for myself. Okay, then I'll put the lid on it.
So you're gonna let that rise?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the lid on it. Nice. And then I'll leave it alone for about an hour or so until.
An hour? Okay.
Yeah, you want at least an hour. You can go a little bit more. If it's colder, you want more time because this dough is cold, Yeah. This one here is going to be more like a deep dish, almost.
And now we wait. Ah, and that's the key there, so you can get coals on top.
12-inch skillet and a 12-inch lid.
Nice.
Works perfectly. Did it grow a little bit?
It grew when it gets rising.
A little bit.
So it's been rising for about an hour.
How's my hair?
It looks great. This is it.
Oh, sole mio. What is that, a bug?
I think it's oregano.
You can put as much sauce as you like. That's just preference, I think.
Well, if we're lucky, he'll give us a slice.
Well, it's a shame. I told you I don't have enough. It's a shame. If I had enough, I would. But I think if you just watch me eat, that should be enough.
It'll be filling.
Yeah.
If you eat both of these.
You take a whiff of the pizza. You watch me chew it. You watch me go, so good. Okay, I washed my hands last week, so I'm just going to use my hands.
All right, in with the mozzarella, the mozzarella.
Yeah,
the mozza.
You just slop it in there. You have the same problem with flies.
Yep.
They're stupid go in the van and they don't want to come out.
I have one of those zapper rackets.
Yeah, I don't have one of those. But I just yell at them. It doesn't work. But
In with the basil, fresh basil.
yeah, I like the one with the root.
Ah, I can smell it from here.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
Yeah, I wish I had enough basil for the two of you.
Yeah, I know. I like basil.
Just don't have enough. I'm sorry.
Come on.
Don't have enough. Yeah, let's not be cheap here. All right, so now
A little drizzle.
drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it. You just eyeball it. You do whatever you want. This step, I should have done it before, but it don't matter.
Garlic.
You don't have to do any of that because the sauce already has stuff.
Yeah.
I like to do it. Organic pepper,
Dang.
freshly squeezed with the fly in it.
That is looking good.
Okay, let me shut this off before the fly goes in there.
It goes on. It's the 12-inch. Just like that.
All right. Let me get the coals.
You want to make sure that you don't have the bottom too hot.
Yeah, you don't want it too hot. But you want some heat, you know.
Skulls on top. Jumbo.
Yeehaw. That's probably about 500 degrees or so, 400, 500. Yeah. I'm going to take some off because I don't want too much.
Okay, it's time to take a peek here.
Okay, not done yet. Yep. Just a little quick peek.
Oh, it's cooking.
It's cooking. The one thing you have to be careful with this one is about the ash going in.
Oh, getting on the pizza.
Yeah, the first couple times I did it, I got a little bit of ashy there. Oh, it's not done yet, but it's getting there. I'm going to turn it actually a little bit like that. Yeah, it's. You smell it?
Yeah, here we go. Woo! Look at that.
I'm gonna get my spatula.
Check the bottom. Yeah. Okay, now we're dialing in the fine. This is the fine tuning here. You got to check the bottom. Ooh,
Oh, I think it's.
brown.
I think the bottom is.
So you need more heat on top, less heat on bottom.
Yeah, I think we overdid this one. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to eat it. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just get.
Get it off the heat.
Yeah, these are very hot. So these I could have probably just used like this, just
a few.
just that amount. But
So you really want the majority of the heat on top.
Yeah, that one might be overcooked, but I think I'll still eat it. I wouldn't recommend that you eat it.
Let me know how it is.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend. Alright. So we can leave that in there a little bit. I think this one is
About the same.
also probably done. Yeah, I think this one is done.
It's the bottom.
Yep, this one's done.
Okay.
Yep, this one's done. It might fall, it might not.
Yeah, drop it in the dirt.
Sometimes it comes out very easily. I think it's a little bit more liquidy because may I put more cheese or sauce in there, but
Nice transfer.
yeah,
It
yeah.
is. Beautiful.
Like I said, Brian, I wish I had enough for the
I
two of
know. Maybe next time.
you. Yeah, come over next time.
Get out of that way. Looks beautiful.
I make the mistake of just putting too many coals on the bottom. So every time you bake, you're always learning something, you know. It doesn't matter if you do it one time or 20 times. If you pay attention, you're always learning something. So that's going to cook stupidly fast.
All right, got Kelly helping out.
Let's just give it another minute or so.
Patience, patience.
Patience is it?
All right, I'm going to call that
You're
one
gonna
done.
call it good. All right.
Okay.
You got the board?
Yeah.
Cleared it off.
So if you put too much sauce, it might be a little bit runny, but it is what it is. That's it.
It is.
And then you want to clean your stuff while it's still hot.
Don't drop it. That is the 14-inch. Go over here.
Hey Giovanni, bring the pots, eh? All right, folks, dig in. Ta-da!
Awesome, thank you. Wait.
I wouldn't eat it.
What's going on? Wait, you're
I wouldn't eat it.
What?
It's terrible. I mean, look,
horrible.
I'll try again. Oh,
Oh,
don't even try it. Take my word for it. It's terrible.
Alright.
Oh.
We'll go down to Silly Al's then. Okay, I'm going in for the taste test. Louis' special desert pizza. Oh. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
That
told
dough.
you it was terrible.
That dough is nice and fluffy. That's good.
Hey, save some for me.
We don't have enough. I'm sorry.
All right, how is it?
Don't have anything in my teeth.
No, you look good.
Okay.
How is it?
It's delicious. I think I actually, just like you, I think I prefer the deep dish.
The thicker?
Yeah, just because the bread is so much better than normal store-bought pizza dough bread.
It's a good crust. Thank you for being here, everyone. I appreciate you hanging out with us. Head on over to the Rolling Earthship YouTube channel and say hello to Lewis for me. In the meantime, hope you're all doing well out there, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.